Hi guys, welcome back to my vlogs. Okay, so we're in Nairobi, Kenya, if you don't know, and today we have a road trip outside of Nairobi, and we're going to Muranga Gorges. I saw it on TikTok, so I was searching things to do, fun things to do in Nairobi, and I saw it on TikTok. And if I see something on TikTok, I have to do it, you know? Yeah, I love TikTok because it gives you ideas. So I liked it and I was like, yeah, we have to go do that. You know, I took my brother and I said, come with me to this place that I saw on TikTok that I want to go to. It was so fun. Let's do it, he said. And you know, I am Omega passenger princess. Like the whole back is for me, and my leg, do you see those? My leg was cut by high heels. That's why I don't wear high heels. I went to a wedding and my feet has been cut and it hurts to even wear my sneakers, so I just had to wear my Crocs to this place that has like these hills and it's a hiking spot, and it sucked that I couldn't wear my sneakers because when I wore them they hurt my wound that I got from my heels. So that's why I am a sneaker girly, you know? Anyway, the view is amazing because we're going to a countryside. Like the greenery is amazing, guys, amazing. I'm so sorry if I'm talking so slow. It's just I just woke up and my brain is still, you know, trying to catch up with my mouth.
Mama Afrika hada kudara wala gadisa galada bakadisa hadara babada dambosa ibani ado gabosa
ساعتها قبضة الدلوسة كده والله قبضة لو كنت من دايبو ميلان أبانا برويشن كنا نعمل حسن دندوب كان مرنا يا ديكا حسين وديب أنا مرنا الله حسين وديب بليز أبا أدا عبس ناس سوا حنا
maji, lakini hiyo maji ilikuwa inakuja ilindavatiwa inaenda kwa Tana River.
Oh.
Yeah.
So ni mpaka ukule ama ni ipi?
Iko Brianda hapa, ndio kingoka Brianda hapa. Yote inakaa hiyo. Yeah.
كالم مش تمام
مش خشاد كلابسي واي
سوات
كذا لابسي مسميكري مرت علي جاري ما حسننا
لا أنا gonna fall.
لا viatu sio mzuri. Viatu hii ni mzuri ama?
Imeisha namba. Lazima hapo utereze.
Kutembea ni mzuri hapa. Nilikuwa nafikiri watu wengi wanakuja hapa.
Wanakuja hapo sana. Angalia kwa nje yote ile. Hapa siko sawa kutembea.
Hapa
ni nzuri.
Simba ameogopa. Acha nipige picture. Akuji tuende tungoje. مرويس حق كله
ماما هذا لا لا
100
هذا لا لا هذا متقارب
ها
انت قشاه هذا بتصارع دي الافضل تكوى معايا هنا ضد تقوم الليلين قعدت بقصة مية درك لا هي وفاهم لا ما سمعني
Fanya kwa mkono si ndio?
1997 كيف واحد دعي 1997 كذا صار اورنج انا ولا هذا مصدر
ها?
انت قلت فرعون قبل
Fir'aun.
حسين هاي انت ايقظ
Masa tuh.
هاي دويا حسين ايقظ انا
Hai kalian.
ناقتا قدرني ادو علي لي راول
ماشي كويس سما.
والله
ماشي
ليش انت عجبه
فيديو هنا مساعدة. هاي بس.
نكا واو
صور
فليس
صور.
وادوجنا
Tanto. Video tuh ha.
بس ريكوردين هاي
Okay. Highlight. Ay, usiangu ke?
Yeah. All the way top.
I do it. I'm videoing you. You want picture or video, Sijui? Dying. So hivyo wana TikTok wanajifanya. Oi. Usianguke? Hey. Guys, by now you all should tell that we're not the type of people to go to places like this. It's just so awkward. We don't even know what we're doing. So we're just taking pictures and just, you know, just going with the vibes. And here's me trying to climb this, but I can't do it. You know, it's so weird. Anyway, this whole video, like, I want to vlog, but I don't know how to do it. I don't know how aesthetic like those vloggers make it seem like or how they do it, but I'm just vlogging and just going with the flow. I hope you guys like it. Okay, let's go.
Esatto.
Shahrukh خلاص كملت ونجي في
شافوا يلي كنا أقول هنا بدك
Jagoan kamu.
تعال انت صور على الخال
شكلك بتستمع
انا
Aku kecil, kabarnya.
I am about to fall.
Nampak aku anak mana?
Ai, o seu
Panizo jamani mzito.
Nauna
I want to
Take
be.
a lot of pictures. Take a lot of.
I am taking. Change the pose.
Okay, one more.
صدقوا صدقوا وأكرتانا يعني صدق جنايه amekula ngamia amekunywa maziwa.
Running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think?
Guys, I really wanted to swim so bad because it was so hot, but they closed the pool. Like, what's the point of having this huge pool if we can't swim anytime? Okay, so in this video we are in the train finally. Like, this train has been delayed and we've been sitting there for hours, and now we are departing to Mombasa Raha. I am so excited to take this trip with the girls, and the train is fun but also really boring. But like, look at my cute cousin, guys. Like, at least this time I'm traveling at daytime so I could see some animals, but no, I didn't see any animals. And nighttime I saw this beautiful moon, trying to show you guys, but the camera is not doing it justice, guys. Promise, I'm just trying to show you the moon, not the guy who's trying to fix his hair. And then here trying to make time go faster by playing cards. كاس محوصو بيري مودكا كه سوق نصيبك يا عمر هلو الفيلم بدون 5 7 10 وحيار 5 8 7 كلا مجرد والله كلا جرى بقى حد يرسل سوق فانسنه ريل علي شلا ديارني شلا ديار وين ديارني سديدة سديدة طالع أفري باش عدد واحد اسمك لها هالقاعدة أنا ما ألعب أنا بدوب حتى وأنا طلع حالات القصة الله يعجبني وحوين أنا هاي أنا وأي قادني سنة وبها أما دايز أوكي والله هالكلمة عنا ما قاعدة أكو صديقي توالها حاول تفهم أكو جوجنا عند بل محقي حاسرية ما شاء الله يسوي بيت السيالة أسبوعين كيف ما كانوا دمتين مرة بعد دمتين 6 8 هي ما مالك إن أنا ليه بس تقول ما Guys, I kept losing because I don't know how to play this game very well, because it's been a really long time since I played, and it's math, and math confuses me. So at least I was having fun, you know. At least I wasn't feeling very competitive. But yeah, I've been a sore loser.
Let's go, girl. Alhamdulillah. That's so good. Because it's gonna be big.
Finally, we reached Mombasa Raha. We at the terminal. Our bus is here, and guys, the humidity that greeted us, it's like we can't breathe. It's nighttime. The sun is not out. Why is it so hot? Nairobi is actually pretty nice, you know, but Mombasa is really hot. Here's us in the bus. We're waiting for everyone to load in so that we can go. Oh, was this when we were loading out? Yeah, this was when we were still at the airport. Yeah. The terminal, whatever they call it. The bus station? I don't know, it's probably the airport.
It's really hard. Are we gonna have fun? Yeah,
Good morning, guys. We woke up early in the morning to go to Marine National Park to go swim with dolphins and be in the ocean. Do you see how sweaty I am? Bro, if I stayed here for a month, I think I would lose a ton of weight by just sweating it off, you know. Here's our captain, and he's introducing the crew, and he's making sure that we're not nervous, and there's strong swimmers on the crew that will save us if anything happens.
Captain number 1 collapsing or dying. No? Swimmers, Instructor Suleiman here. As well, he will act as a underwater cameraman here. They earn some amount of money for that.
So now, guys, we're on our way to go see some dolphins, and those are other islands on our way, they're telling us, and there's other boats, and these are other islands. I forgot the names. So one of the girls' hats fell off, and he's gonna go grab it. He's such a great swimmer, he's gonna grab it, and so impressive.
Nakwambia pekee uje unaenda na moshi.
Awe. Wasaqabte. Wah. Halas عندي خلاص. يكونوا بأنه بالي. ولا ماماتا. ولا. وكل يارا. wasaqabte ya.
Nakwambia pekee hujampiga.
So we are trying to see the dolphins, but they are hiding. I don't know why, but they're not coming up. But we're not giving up. We are staying here until they show themselves.
Balance the boat.
Oh my god. Absolutely, don't worry, you're not falling. Oh my god. Take that down here.
Video mwenye atakosa hapo.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
Oh my god.
Wameenda chini sasa.
Hawa wanakimbia hivi.
دخول علي سكان وصكينه أنا دلالك دايما لموت كيوان كودو في الهربان كوكين لها نايوان كودو في الهربان كوكين لها كوكين لها نايوان كودو في إلا بيو تانتلا لغو صور دوين لها
jacaylkan aan xulsiyo haddii lama sayri waayo wanagiyo muxibadeena haddii lama jeero waayo dunida magacaada ku leeday haddaan kurumuuji waayo masale kula raadi waayo waxaanahay muuqudhaada
gaadhay ilaa salaadii sodkii xasaha wahagii ku seexshay lahaa